Hi, I'm MJ and I'm a dentist. Today I'm going to show you how you make a homemade coronavirus mask. It's quick and it's easy, and you can make it with all the things that you can find in your own home. There's growing evidence to suggest that masks reduce the transmission of the virus, whether this be from people who are sick and are coughing and sneezing, or from people who are asymptomatic carriers and spreading the virus without symptoms. Masks also stop you touching your face. Lots of countries like Germany, Czechia, Slovakia, Austria and Scotland are advising wearing masks in public right now. Here's a professional mask that we use in our practice. It's lightweight, it's breathable and it's well-fitting. It's made of a porous fabric that filters the air whilst you breathe, and you wear it over your mouth and nose. You need something similar that will protect you, protect your loved ones and stop the spread of the virus. Plus, if you make your own mask, it means that there are more available for the key workers that really do need them. You need a piece of cotton, 4 elastic bands or hair ties, and you need a piece of kitchen paper cut in half. You use your piece of t-shirt and inside you put a piece of kitchen paper. You fold it over and that is the fabric part of your mask. And then you use your hair tie and put them together like this. And then you cut the end of one of your hair ties. So you've got something to tie it to. You fold the end, tie it over, and tie it real tight. And you do that on the other end. The size of the piece of fabric that you need to start with is enough to go from above your nose to underneath your chin to protect both your nose and your mouth. So as you can see, my mask goes from above my nose to underneath my chin. It takes about a minute to make. You should be able to disassemble and wash these once a day. Take out the inside and make sure it's clean. Remember, masks have to be used alongside good hand hygiene and social distancing in order to reduce the spread of coronavirus. If you found this helpful, please do share it with your friends. Get using your old t-shirts and underpants, stop the spread of coronavirus, and let's beat this together.